In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up multiple domains in Sendgrid easily. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your email management, walking through this process will be a breeze. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive right in. First, we need to visit the Sendgrid website, the central hub for all our email management needs. Open your preferred browser and navigate to Sendgrid's email API section. Sendgrid is known for its robust infrastructure powering email delivery and marketing campaigns. Trust me, you're in good hands. Once you've landed on the homepage, look for the sign in button, typically located at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Now it's time to sign into your Sendgrid account. If you don't have an account already, there are options to create a new one. It's pretty straightforward. However, assuming you're ready to go, enter your credentials and let's move on. Next, head over to the Sendgrid dashboard. From here, you're going to locate the settings menu. This is where all the magic happens. Click on settings, which should direct you to another page brimming with options that allow you to tailor your Sendgrid experience. Among these settings, you'll see an option for sender authentication. This is a vital step, as authenticating your domain ensures that your emails don't get lost in spam folders and helps you sustain email deliverability. Click on Sender Authentication to proceed. Within the Sender Authentication menu, you will spot a feature called Domain Authentication, which is highly recommended. It validates your email domain, adding a layer of trustworthiness. Click on Domain Authentication to continue down this path. Now you'll see the option to authenticate your domain. Click on it and we're almost there. This is where you will add each domain that you intend to authenticate within Sendgrid. Finally, it's time to add a new domain. This is your opportunity to introduce Sendgrid to your multiple domains and enjoy streamlined email operations. Follow the guided prompts to input the domain details, all part of creating a cohesive email strategy. There you have it, you're all set up with multiple domains in Sendgrid. Remember, this setup not only optimizes email sending across your domains, but also ensures that your communications stay professional and secure. By following these steps, you have taken a key step towards efficient email management. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check back for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital toolkit.